shooting my Phase 4 29. I just got this right before this hunting season, and it's done really well for me. So let's sling some arrows and see how it goes. Oh. I knew that one was pulled. Oh well. 3 good ones. I knew this one was off. We've got like 4 inches of snow. Average amount. Oh. See what we can do at 60. So, we are at 60 yards now. Middle of the snow. Let's see if we can get some in there. Beautiful. She's shooting pretty well. Oh, wow. That was a good shot. Alright. That was a great group. Let's see if we can duplicate that. And then we'll move back to 70. See how that feels. That was probably the best one. Starting to get windy, but we'll do one round at 70. Camera just fell over. That was alright. Oh, that was a good shot. That was a good one too. So Phase 4 29, 70 yards. I still have stock strings on this, but definitely would like to change that eventually. That's a great group actually at 70. I can dig that. Alright, I'm thinking maybe one more group at 70. Why not? If you're still watching at this point, thank you. Appreciate it. It's my first ever actual YouTube video where my face is in it. The only other ones I have are fly tying. So if you enjoy fly tying videos and want to see some tutorials, check it out. They're on the channel. I knew I pulled that one left. Turning into more sleet than snow. That is bad. Well, at least I'm on the target. Whatever. That was a little high, but it'll do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Like I said earlier, I try to be doing a bunch more all kinds of fun videos, archery, fishing, fly tying. I already have some of those up, so check them out. Actual doing fishing, actual hunting videos, just general, all kinds of stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you watching.